2026 Honda Ridgeline. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows. Take home the car of your dreams today.